What's up, internet tech folks? Quick little unboxing for you here today. AKG K240. Using those for my studio monitoring, video editing, and sound editing. Supposedly really good. Let's have a look. So you got a little screw-on adapter there. You got the actual headphones, pretty nice and big, K240 Studio, and the regular 3.5mm cable. And that is pretty it from what I can tell. The reviews on this guy, really good sound. Picked them up for about $65 Canadian on Amazon. And one of the biggest reasons is over the ears. Help isolate the sound a little bit better when I'm sound editing. I'll be back with a little actual sound review. So let's go try these out. Alright, so after quick little sound test and actually doing some work, and comparing to a pair of Sony Bluetooth noise cancelers that I recently purchased, there's a review on that too. What I find is that these guys, they sound very nice. These are the first semi-open back that I've ever had, so it's a little strange for me that I can hear my surroundings. But overall, the mids and highs seem to be nice and crisp and clear, which is exactly what I need, because what I'm doing with these are sound editing and a lot of voiceover editing. So I definitely need that clarity in those levels. For the bass, it is not as bassy as my Sony Bluetooth noise cancelers, the 750s, I believe they are. But it does still sound nice and clear. So for the purposes that I am using them for, I give these a big thumbs up. And yeah, so that's it for the AKG K240 Studios. Hope you enjoyed that video. Quick review. Drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you on whatever next tech review I end up doing from buying it. Take care.